Viper's top speed of Mach 2. Viper West Heritage proudly presents the Dedication Pass.
In the 65 horsepower Interstate Cadet with 29,000 pounds of thrust, here comes Garrett Mace Dover in the F-16 Fighting Falcons!
And your United States Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcon, tail number 2149, piloted by Captain Garrett Mace Dover. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, the first of 3 Heritage Flight passes. Sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation flight of classic current Air Force aircraft. Now turn with me and look high overhead for your third and final pass of your United States Air Force Heritage. In one of only 6 airworthy P-38 Lightnings. From your left. And one more time from your left for Captain Garrett Mace Dover and your F-16 Fighting Falcon
of aircraft, and he is the guy that piloted the Glacier Girl P-38 Lightning from Middlesboro, Kentucky on October 26th of 2002, 10 years after its retrieval from under 265 feet of ice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, We're looking 6,000 feet up. I want everybody to look high in the sky, because man, this guy has got to fly.
I gotta fly, tumbling through the air, the world's been fine. I'm getting way there, girl, you bet I'm in. Something there that always pulls me, think that I've been stuck. And if you see me smiling, you know what I've just done. I gotta fly. My heart beats as I fly up in the sky.
Now watch Tim as he runs out of airspeed. Gravity will take over. He'll let the nose come down through the horizon. On the 45-degree down line, and snap rolls the airplane 3.5 times, 3 3/4 times into a nice big slicing dive. As he reaches shoulder, he rolls the airplane upside down. Then 2 points of a 4-point hesitation roll to the upright, and a 9T pull going straight up. Rolls the airplane hard to the left. Watch him as he slows down, caps it off, and flattens it out. Look at this guy tumble. Approaching 300 miles per hour is the jet car. Oh, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up.
Which was the name of a British aerodynamicist who came up with this particular design feature, made the Mustang the fastest piston engine fighter at that particular
Mustang with a Rolls-Royce design Merlin engine built by the Packard Motor Car Company.
I would like to recommend that you keep those cameras at the ready, because Sean is now making a turnaround and then return to give you his low altitude, low speed photo pass. Sean now climbs this aircraft skyward. He is going to pull his way over the top, pull that throttle back to idle, and then slip this aircraft down to the runway. And right about now, let's go live to the cockpit again. Shanti, you're on.
Shanti is happy! Thanks for coming out. It's such a privilege to be flying for you and sharing the magic of flight. So this is the key word for flight. Hey, Charlie, give me a wave. Yeah, baby. Okay, the little girl in the green hat. Give me a wave. Hey, Air Show Center. You guys are the best. Give me a wave. Thanks for having me. All the friends and family of the Thunderbirds, give me a wave. Team Oracle. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen of Sacramento, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Put your hands together one final time for Shanti Tucker and the Oracle Challenger 3. Sean is the former winner of the United States National Advanced Aerobatic Championship Trophy. In addition, Sean is the first performer to ever win both the Bill Barker Award for Air Show Showmanship and the Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year. Sean lowers that nose and then rolls this aircraft to the left. That is our indication that he has made a determination that the show line is obstruction-free and that he is now ready to make an attempt at slicing all 3 of those ribbons in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. Now pulling over the top, Sean is going to dive down to 220 miles an hour, 18 feet above the runway. Right about now, watch as he rolls into right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1. Now left knife edge through number 2 and inverted.
Schmitz, the Buzz Bombs, and the FW-190s of the German Air Force.
We have a BBQ on the ramp, you will notice outrigger wheels on the BBQ wing. We have those outriggers on the U2, however, when you take off in the U2...
Gentlemen, it's the U2 from Beale Air Force Base. Let's give it up for the Dragon Lady. Throttle up!
Look at it. I thought it was parked somewhere. What? They were giving out free helicopters too.
Free helicopters? That sounds like a good deal. They're probably worth a lot of money, helicopters.
Toys.
Oh, toys!
Yeah.
I thought you meant real helicopters.
Really?
I was going to run over there and get in line.
Put the little car things in. I think that's the trip. Whenever I don't drink a lot of drink like this, my mouth is gonna spit and stuff.
off the Viper's top speed of Mach 2.